So your RV may be equipped with electric steps. Electric steps work when you open and close the door. So when I open up the door, the steps will automatically come out. So you can get in your coach, and then once you close the door, the steps will automatically go in. Now let's say you're camping. Would you want those steps going in and out all the time? That would be a real inconvenience. So there's a manual override switch which will lock the steps in the out position, so while you're camping, you can go in and out the door and the steps will stay stationary. It's as easy as just pushing a button, and now I can close the door and the steps will stay in the out position. Now when you're ready to leave, you can go ahead and turn that switch off so the steps will retract when you close the door. But if you should forget, it's okay because there's a manual override. Once you turn the ignition key on or start your engine, these steps will automatically retract, so you cannot leave the campground with your steps in the out position.